Activate Enhanced Safe Browsing for Gmail in Chrome. Hi everyone, today we'll walk you through the steps to enable Enhanced Safe Browsing and ensure that your online activity remains secure and protected. To enable this feature, start by opening Google Chrome and signing into your account. Next, go to Manage your Google account. Select the Security tab, and scroll down until you find the option to manage Enhanced Safe Browsing for your account. Simply toggle it on and click the Activate button to complete the process. You're all set. You can now browse securely.